Over the last 2 years, we've built the world's first 3D printed school and the world's largest 3D printed affordable housing project. We've done the unimaginable in Kenya, Malawi, Madagascar, and beyond. We've shown that construction 3D printing can bring a truly transformative impact to people's lives. But to change the scale of that impact, we need a new generation of printers that will be more affordable, more reliable, and mobile. Throughout our projects, we've gained extraordinary hands-on experience, and we dreamed about our ideal printer. This led us to join forces with PMSA, the largest manufacturer of construction equipment in Africa, and that dream has become reality. Today, we embark on a new chapter where we revolutionize construction 3D printing. 14Trees is pleased to introduce the Iroko, the first construction 3D printer manufactured in Africa. Iroko is ready to build everywhere in the world.
Iroko is first and foremost affordable in terms of its acquisition cost and through its use. The printer's aluminium frame is light yet robust, which means it can be mounted easily without having to use expensive cranes. It is equipped with a material preparation and feed system which is compatible with Holcim's Texture ink and a wide range of low-carbon inks from 14Trees. Iroko is reliable and intelligent. We have equipped it with a unique multi-laser system that controls the print quality 50 times per second to improve the structural performance of the end product and operator safety. Iroko has a comprehensive climate monitoring system that measures and captures the ambient environment, provide operators with actionable information during printing and detailed data for retrospective analysis, improving your next build. Mobility and optimized assembly are at the core of Iroko's design. It is easily stored and transported in a custom 40-foot container with all the equipment required for its assembly, even in the most remote locations. Our technology is disrupting 3D printing for construction, bringing confidence to contractors ready for a return on investment in the automation space. We look forward to taking our construction automation technology to the next level and supporting our customers to bring their 3D printing projects to life.